Hey guys, Afi here from SaberMach. Hope everyone's doing fine during the circuit breaker period, and wherever you are doing your isolation in any part of the world, I hope you guys are coping well. Singapore's still in lockdown. We're calling it a circuit breaker, and since we're having difficulty heading into the workshop, doing any work, we thought we'd pull out our past projects and show you guys what we did some time back. I have here with me the SaberMach Ezra Sports, that's what we're calling it. You'd probably recognize that this guy is a hilt built inspired by Ezra Bridges' second hilt from the Rebels series. It's not a replica. We're not calling it a replica because it features a much more slimmer profile and not as accurate as the one we see in the on screen. So this guy features SaberMach's first thin neck, and of course our signature saber surface protection coating in our titanium finishing, and anodized, powder coated grips section, red LED, four accent LEDs as well as the aux switch. So let me just show you guys the inside of this hilt. So this guy is built in with the Crystal Focus X soundboard by Blackter Labs. Let me just focus it in. Yeah, so black on gold goodness. We've got removable 18650 battery as well, and SD card access, and the soundboard is held by a Velcro that holds the board in place. It's quite secured, doesn't move the board around so much, doesn't move it at all actually, but also allows us to lift the board up if you want to access the board via SD card or the micro USB port. So let's fire this guy up. I'm just going to be using a short blade here just for demonstration purposes, and let's fire this guy up. So I loaded it with one of my favorite fonts. Quick shout out to Jesse Kirkbride from KyberPhonics, the staple sword.
Maybe I won't go easy on you this time.
So it's really bright. Features a hilt-based RGB LED. Very loud speaker as well. So auxiliary features: blaster block, flash and clash, blade lockup, animated LEDs on both sides, just because I'm a huge fan of blinkies. Spectrum dial color change. Let's give that a try. Spectrum. Blade profiles. It's got other blade profiles as well, but I don't think you will be able to see the effects. So yeah, so this is it, the SaberMach Ezra Sports. Let us know if you guys have your own personal projects that you want us to work on. We do have a customs department dedicated to building custom one-offs. If you want something that's uniquely to your own liking, something different from everyone else, we can do it. You can send us your plans, discuss with us about the pricing, the quotation, materials used, color schemes, what kind of boards, whatever. Yeah, get in touch with us. And so stay safe, stay well, stay healthy, and may the force be with you.